Here we go again. So, my husband, James Earl Atkinson, told me na may pusa daw. So, ayan. So, I started feeding them. May tatlong pusa yan. So, my gray, black, and colicolor, tricolor. So, that's the two one. Friendly. They look so skinny and hungry. So, kailangan ko nabigyan ng food. So, that's the first time I've seen them. And I contacted them and na-pet ko sila. So, yung black ko, tingnan mo. Gutom na gutom. Itong gray, ayaw na ayaw pa niya. So, at saka yung isang colorful na kitty, nahihiya pa siya. Ayan o, hindi makapagpigil. So, go around. Kasi nga, hindi ata sila nakakita ng tao or ako lang nag-feed. I don't know if how many days na silang gutom. Kasi gutom na gutom sila when I gave them food. Yung isa, nakag-hide. O, ayan. Pumuano na siya. Sumali na sa kanyang mga sisterettes. I'm not sure kung babae or lalaki yan sila. So, gustong-gusto ko yung isang may colorful. Yan, may parang two-face siya. Ang cute ng color ng kanyang mukha. Aside sa food, nagbigay rin ako ng water para ma-hydrate sila. I'm not sure kung ilang days na talaga sila dyan. As soon as nakita ng asawa ko na may pusa, so hindi ko talaga mapigilan and I can't turn my back na hindi ko talaga sila pwedeng i-feed and bigyan ng water. That's for the day one. See you later. The next day, so before ako nag-work, so I have to feed them, give food in the morning and water para naman may makakain yun sila. And then, before going back to the house, so kailangan silang i-feed. Naging friendly na konti yung gray, back. Nag-aantay na. And yung isa rin, can't wait na mabigyan ng food. I think they're all hungry. I'm not sure kung ano talaga, or may nagbibigay ba ng food dyan during the daytime. Kasi nga, malayo kami sa civilization at malayo kami sa anywhere na mga neighborhood. So, wala talaga magbibigay ng food, kundi siguro ako or may dumaan man, pero wala silang care na magbigay ng food. Nagdala ako ng karton for the next day. Kasi nga, wala silang roof and umuulan. So, kailangan nila ng may masisilungan for now. Kasi wala naman akong iba na pwedeng dalhin, kundi yung boxes. So, doon ko rin inilalagay yung food para comfortable sila kumain kasi maraming mga wild animals dyan. So, yan ang closer look. So, yan ang aking box. And I gave them wet food and gustong-gusto nila yung isang malaking wet food na uubos talaga nila and dry food. So, I try to pet them para ding masanay na hawak-hawakan and all. Yung isa hindi talaga. Ayan o.
Come here.
Nagtatago.
Come. Come on. Come here.
Lumalapit naman siya pero parang hesitant. Walang trust sa tao. Kasi nga dinump sila, 'di ba? May trust issue na siya. Yung dalawa, who cares? Basta may food. Yan, lumapit na rin siya para kumain. Kasi nagugutom rin eh. And the next day na naman, in the morning, before ako going to work or going somewhere, kailangan ko silang i-feed. Yan. I don't know how many days ginawa ko to para lang ganyan. I was of counting. And then I tried to catch the black cat. So, ayan, nakuha ko siya.
It's okay,
Yan, parang hindi siya happy, no? And then,
don't hiss that kitty.
Which si Fifi, hindi masaya as always.
That's midnight. The second.
She doesn't like cats. So, Fifi is not a cat. Cat.
Honey.
The next day na naman, so dalawa sila. So
Good
yung
morning.
dalawang gray at saka yung tricolor na cat. Yan ang aking routine for almost 3 weeks. Pinapakain ng
Where's your
umaga.
sister?
Tapos, tinatry ko
Hi.
silang pinipet. And pagkahapon, ayan, pinapakain ko na naman.
I get a lot of
Waiting,
boxes
I get
there.
more stuff, styrofoam. Kasi umuulan.
Gray.
Tapos yung box, hindi
And on top of
stable. At
that,
saka, diba, hindi nila masisilungan kasi nababasa. Sisira. Yan na lang ang naiwan ko. Nahirapan akong i-capture. So, yung black, nag-in-heat na siya. So, she is a female cat. The next day, nagtaka ako, isa na lang naiwan. So, na-try kong i-call, pero hindi talaga lumalabas. So, siya na lang naiwan yung gray cat.
How are you? You're fine? Are you hungry? You hungry, girl? You are? Okay. Hold on, okay? Wait, ha?
Ang cute nag-respond siya. So, the next morning, nagtaka ako, isa na lang ang lumalabas. And that morning, may nakita akong dumaan na fox, mama
Good
fox,
job,
and
girl.
baby. So,
Good job.
come to think of it,
Hello.
maybe
Hi,
kinain na yung isa. I'm not sure, pero still hopeful na buhay siya. So, I still continue feeding her and urgent talaga na kailangan ko na siyang dakpin kasi or else mamamatay rin siya, kakainin rin siya ng fox. So, binigyan ko siya ng treats na ipapasok dyan sa loob ng kennel. So, tingnan niyo kung... Pero napaka-witty niya, no? Kasi every time na papasok na sa kennel, so, binigyan ko siya ng treats, pero bumabalik siya nag-back out. Every time na papasok na ng kennel. So, one time, pumasok na siya. Ay, yan ang ginawa ko. Ang saya-saya, diba? Tinulak ko lahat. So, kasi nilagay ko yung food sa loob para pumasok siya. Tapos, nag-standby ako. Ang saya-saya. And, I told my husband, na-capture ko na siya in few days. Grabe talaga ang aking plan. May plan pa talaga ako. Hindi ko talaga alam kung gaano. Hindi ko ma-explain ko how happy I am kasi nakuha ko siya. So, may patag-tag pa ako dyan.
Finally.
So, kinuha niya yung aking husband. Pinasok namin sa loob.
Don't be
And
scared.
alam ko, marami yung mga fleas and all.
Yeah,
so,
I will.
Hindi niya.
Yeah.
Natakot siya. O, tingnan mo.
Reunited with
And
your
then,
sissy.
kinuha ko yung black cat. So, pinahay ko sa
Yeah,
kanyang
united with your
sister.
sissy.
So, dalawa na sila. So, trinay ko rin
Yes.
i-open.
Mm-hmm.
Para magka-bonding sila sa other cat. Wala silang names kasi hindi ko alam
That's your sister.
Yung for now. So, yan. I'm just happy kasi na-capture ko na sila sa I think almost 3 weeks. Ang tagal-tagal. Bye!